How do I use the assignment tool in ReadSpeaker TextAid? If you will be using a file with this assignment, then begin by uploading it to your TextAid library. Click on your name and then Assignments. Click on New Assignment. Change the name of the assignment from New Assignment to the assignment name. Add your instructions and set a due date. Click Save. Add a file if desired. To add the file, click on Manage. Click on Add Document. Browse in your TextAid library until you find the document. Click on the document and then click on Select. Now, check the box to the left of the assignment's name. Check the box to the right of the assignment's name. Students cannot change the original document information. Editing allows students to annotate the document with their answers. Click on Save. Now that the assignment is ready, we need to select our students. Under Students on the right, click on Manage. Type in the names of your students one at a time. When the name appears under the search window, click on the name. Continue adding students until you have added everyone you want to have this assignment. Click Save. Click on Add Announcement. Announcements are only shown in the assignment window. Fill in the title and announcement information. Click Submit. Now that everything is ready, click on Publish. The students will have a notification shown on the bell icon at the top of their ReadSpeaker TextAid page that alerts them about the assignment. To see more, click on the video of How does a student use the assignment tool?